Hey Shiba Inu holder, this is an emergency update. What's the emergency? The emergency is that to Shiba Inu is spells down, and can Shiba Inu will give you a profit, and this month, my friends, especially in the June, this is good, my friends, for investment or not. I will predicate this coin, and I share my opinion to what you do, my brother, and this current time, my brother. So try to understand holders, don't sell it, don't skip this any second of this video, my brother, and try to understand what I talk you. This time you can see the change occur last 1 hour, the last 1 day, and the last 7 days. All change occur will be negative now. Absolutely, they fails down. So minus 0.46% the price is decreased now, and minus 6.91% decrease now. 32 point my friend, in last 7 days they fails down. So what's the main reason, my friends, to they fails down? There are two main reasons, my friend, especially the holder, my friends, they cannot care. And second reason is that, my brother, especially to this is the mid of month, so absolutely all cryptocurrencies after a jump fails down. So therefore, my brother, absolutely this coin is fails down now. So holders, don't sell it. My brother, my opinion is that because I am 100% sure, my brothers, to Shiba Inu is completely going the moon now in upcoming time, because my brother, I'm 100% sure to after Elon Musk new project, absolutely they will starting moving upward now. So Shiba Inu holder, please try to understand, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.